Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to change your AWS password in 2025. With increasing cyber threats, keeping your AWS account secure is more important than ever. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this quick guide will have you updating your password in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your AWS Management Console. Head over to the AWS website, enter your email and current password, and make sure you're using a secure connection. Always opt for two-factor authentication if you have it set up. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your account name. From the drop-down menu, select My Security Credentials. This is your gateway to managing all your account settings. Now, under the Sign in Credentials section, look for the option that says Console Password. Click on Edit next to it. Oz might prompt you for your current password again for security reasons, so have that ready. Then, enter your new password. Remember, a strong password is key. Aim for at least 12 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Don't reuse old passwords, make it unique. After you've entered and confirmed your new password, hit Save Changes. Oz will process this quickly, and you'll get a confirmation message. That's it. You've successfully updated your password. But before we wrap up, here are a few best practices for 2025. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. If you haven't already, as it's a game changer for security. Also, consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords safely. Regularly review your AWS access keys and permissions to minimize risks. There you have it, folks. Changing your AWS password is straightforward and essential for protecting your data. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.